One of the most frequent questions our staff at Banshee Reeks gets asked is, how did we get our name? There's a story that has been passed down to us today. It's about Jordan Luck, the man who built the farmhouse you see when you arrive at Banshee Reeks. The story goes like this. One evening in the 1840s, Jordan had ridden to the nearby town of Leesburg for a night of merriment and drinking in the taverns. Riding his horse home, a fierce storm began to brew as the wind picked up and the rain fell harshly on the ground before him. Following his night of drinking, Jordan was in a confused state. The howling of the wind and stirring of the forest animals in the hills sounded like a mythical spirit he was familiar with. A banshee, the spirit of a woman who cries out in the night. Jordan raced to the safety of his home and told his friends of the ordeal the following day. We borrow the events of this tale in the name of our preserve. Banshee meaning a shrieking female spirit or fairy, originating in Irish folklore, and Reeks being the Gaelic word for hills and dales.